in isiZulu. Please is ngiyacela. That's it. Ngiyacela. We also know how to ask for something specific. Like I am asking for this thing. I'm not asking for everything under the sun. Ngicela izicathulo. May I have shoes, please? We also know how to describe the thing we are asking for. Ngicela izicathulo ezimhlophe. May I please have white shoes? Uyabona mngani? You've learned quite a lot on this topic. Now let's add the person we are talking to, the person we are asking. If we are asking Dad for a cat, let's say Dad in our sentence, like this. Dad, may I please have a cat? Or Dad, may I have a cat, please? Now, Mngani, you know this one. Dad in isiZulu is ubaba, father, ubaba. Remember though, Mngani, that this B, it's a soft sound. It doesn't have other consonants around it. It's just vowels all around it. And so it's a soft B. Not the same B that you blow out, like in the words boy, ball, big. It is soft, like this. Ba, B, B, bo, boo. That's it. So, father is ubaba. Repeat that after me, Mngani. Ubaba. Very good. We are not talking about Dad, though, to someone else. We are talking to Dad directly. So, we can't have that prefix u behind the word, you know? We need to get rid of that isiqalo. So, now all we have is baba. Now we can then continue the sentence. Baba, ngicela ikati. Dad, may I please have a cat? I'm not sure if Dad will give the cat to you just because you asked in isiZulu, but it was worth a try. Now, repeat it after me. Baba, ngicela ikati. Great job, Mngani. Here is another example. Mom, may I please have a car? That would be a cool one to ask Mom for, right? Yeah. Mom, may I have a car, please? Remember, you are talking to Mom directly. You're not talking about Mom to someone else. So, we know that mother or mom in isiZulu is umama. Umama. Isiqalo of that noun is u. So, let's remove it and just be left with mama, because we are speaking to her directly. Now, here we are going to say, Mama, ngicela imoto. Repeat that after me, Mngani. Mama, ngicela imoto. Great job. Great job. Really happy. I'm so proud about this. Now, here's another sentence. Sis, may I have bread, please? So, a sister in isiZulu is udadewethu. Udadewethu. If you have not watched that lesson on family members, please go ahead and do so, Mngani. I have put a link of it in the description box. You really do need to watch it because it's quite short and quite easy to remember. So go ahead and watch that lesson. Now, sis, may I please have bread? We know umenziwa here is isinkwa, bread. Now, let's make this sentence, Mngani. I'm going to give you a chance to do it by yourself, and then we'll do it together. Now, Mngani, let's do the sentence together. Dadewethu, ngicela isinkwa. Repeat that after me, Mngani. Dadewethu, ngicela isinkwa. Great job. Now, we said dadewethu. We didn't say udadewethu ngicela isinkwa. That is so weird. Please do not ever say that. Even me saying it now just sounded so weird. When you're talking to the person, always remember to drop that first vowel of the noun. Now, let's say, friend, may I please have 2 sweets or 2 candies? Remember, sweetie, that's 1 candy. Sweetie, that's more than 1, that's plural. And remember, we are talking to our friend directly. So Mngani, let's finish that sentence together. Oh, I've already just told you how to start it. Okay, fine. Let's do it. Mngani, ngicela oswiti ababili. Mngani, ngicela oswiti ababili. Repeat that after me, Mngani. Mngani, ngicela oswiti ababili. Why did we not say umngani? Well, that's because we are talking to our friend directly. We don't remove the whole prefix, so we just remove that first vowel of the prefix. Now, Mngani, we just remove that first vowel of the noun.